Welcome to Calgary, a modern city surrounded by nature where urban life meets the Rocky Mountains. Here stands the Peace Bridge, one of Calgary's most iconic landmarks. Designed by Spanish architect Santiago Calatrava, this red and white structure opened in 2012. It cost about $25 million, and while it was controversial at first, it is now a symbol of connection and design excellence.
What's on the docket?
Flowing beneath the bridge is the Bow River, one of the most important rivers in southern Alberta. Its journey begins high up in the Canadian Rockies, fed by glacial meltwater from Bow Glacier in Banff National Park. This river is the main source of drinking water for Calgary. The water is captured, treated, and distributed throughout the city. Beyond its utility, the Bow River is also a hub for recreation. During spring and summer, you'll often see people kayaking, canoeing, or fishing along its clear, cold waters. It's a natural escape that runs right through the heart of the city.
Closest to.
No worries, man. I've just made it to 7th grade this year. Look at you, big man. Hey? I'm trying to...
From the Peace Bridge, it is just a short walk to Princess Island Park. The path follows the Bow River, shaded by trees, with plenty of benches along the way to sit, relax, and enjoy the view. When you arrive at Princess Island Park, it feels like stepping into nature even though you're still downtown. The park is full of green spaces, walking trails, and picnic spots, making it perfect for a peaceful break or for watching the river flow by. To reach the island, you'll cross the Jaipur Bridge, a smaller pedestrian bridge with a simple and elegant design. It connects the island to the city and offers one of the best views of the Calgary skyline, especially during sunset. The bridge and park are named after Calgary's sister city, Jaipur in India, symbolizing friendship and cultural connection, much like the Peace Bridge itself. If you're planning on using your drone, please make sure you double check the rules of the city because the fines can start from $250 up to $3,000. The park has everything you need for a relaxing visit. Public washrooms, a cafe, and plenty of open spaces for picnics or walks under the trees during the summertime. And throughout the year, it also hosts some of the Calgary's biggest events and festivals, including the Canada Day celebrations, outdoor concerts, and the famous Calgary Folk Music Festival. It is the kind of place where you can enjoy nature, grab a coffee, or just sit by the river and watch the city go by. Oh, and make sure you take mosquito repellent with you. These blue poles have button and speakers that connect you directly to Calgary 911 or city security. If you ever feel unsafe or need help in a public area, you can press the blue button. It is a direct line to emergency services. In Calgary, e-scooters are meant for one rider only. Carrying a second person isn't allowed and can lead to a fine. That fine can be a minimum of 75 Canadian dollars. In the Eau Claire area, renting a one-bedroom apartment costs around $2,000 per month, while buying a similar unit can reach up to $850, depending on the building and the view. The current building that I'm showing right now is called the Concord, and it costs around $850,000 for a unit of one bedroom and one bathroom with a tiny, tiny kitchen.